Hi, Lee Phillips here. I want to talk to you about LLCs versus partnerships. Which one's right for you? Well, two issues to begin with. One, you use LLC as a legal structure and partnership as a legal structure. They're two different structures. You can also talk about partnerships in the form of taxation. So I could have an LLC taxed as if it were a partnership. I'm just going to tell you, you probably don't want a partnership because the definition of a partnership says that each one of the partners is jointly and severably liable for what the other guy does. And you got enough liabilities. Don't put yourself in a position where you're responsible legally for what somebody else is doing. That's insane. You're always going to have an LLC. Now, there is an expense associated with the LLC that there might not be with a partnership. I mean, California is $800 a year for the partnership or for the LLC. And, most states don't charge for a partnership. The partnership is the default business structure for two or more individuals going into business if they don't choose to do an LLC or incorporate or form a limited partnership or that sort of stuff. So you do have an expense with the LLC, you don't have with the partnership. But the LLC gives you the asset protection. It gives you the corporate shield, protects me from what happens out in the company. It gives you additionally charging order protection. Corporation doesn't give you charging order protection. Partnership, no. Well, kind of, yeah. But the LLC incorporates this charging order protection, which protects the assets of the company from what happens to the members, the owners of the company. So you're going to use an LLC. That's totally legal structure. That's totally independent of how you're going to tax this baby. Now, you can have an LLC taxed as a partnership, so you can get the partnership taxation structure. And just as this is the way we're going to do it rule, if you have passive income, that's basically rents, then you're going to have a partnership taxation structure. If you've got earned income, you're selling goods or services, consulting, whatever, then it's going to be taxed under subchapter S of the IRS code. You just make the subchapter S, the 1120S election, or you make the partnership election when you get a tax ID number. Yes, you're going to have an EIN or a tax ID, and I've got a full video on step-by-step how to fill out for the EIN. So you can do it. It's easy. You don't need your accountant, nothing. You just do it, okay? So you're not going to have, when you're talking LLC versus partnership, which one's right for you, you're not going to have a partnership 99.9% of the time. You're going to have an LLC. The LLC is for the asset protection, and you're going to have the partnership taxation if you want, but that's independent of the legal structure and the asset protection. Now, I've done videos. You're actually going to have your LLC owned by your living revocable trust. And if you've got a couple of members, owners of the LLC, you really want each one of their ownership interests to be held in their individual living revocable trusts. That way, when one of the partners, members, dies, we don't have to probate this company, and you don't want your company in probate. Trust me, guys. So, LLC versus partnership, which one's right for you? LLC, baby. This is Lee Phillips. Don't forget to get my LLC, ebook on LLCs. Just click below, and we'll send that to you for free. And don't forget to love us and like us and all of that good stuff.